Hi all. I want to try a new format because I don't have enough time to record lessons. I work either on freelance projects or I do motion nodes. In this format, I will show some notes from the current project, if they are interesting. And the first article will be about this animation. The plot is like this. This scene is some array of data. It is filtered and the selected files move to a new stack and there they have to join into a new array. This is done quite easily. There are mix nodes that define the start and end position and factor. In the factor, we feed the node snap. It rounds up to the nearest value. In the snap we give it randomly, so that each index has its own value. And then just by time scenes, it is all animated, but you can manually use keys, and you get such an animation. That is, when there is a larger array, it will be more interesting. Then there is such a moment that sooner or later the geometry begins to intersect, and there are two options. Either this is used in animation, that is, you can detect this convergence and feed it into the shader and, say, highlight it, or you can simply relax. I have done relax, because there is no final understanding yet. How it will be, but it is also easy to do. Through the index of nearest node we determine the nearest positions, and through the threshold, that is, through the comparison node, we simply detect them. That is, this is how it will look if it is fed into the shader. That is, these geometries will be highlighted, or it can be replaced with something else, used in some other way. In case you need to do relaxation, you need to do it wisely in the repeat zone, but I just duplicated it and it turned out to be several sub-steps. They will still possibly intersect, but in principle this is already enough to remove most of the intersections. It turns out to be such an animation. That's all, thank you. If I succeed, then I will stick to this format of the shortest possible lessons and some notes.